Well, 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 it's that time of the year. I wonder what's in this garage this time. Well, folks, it's techmadeezy. How you doing? I hope you're doing well. Well, let's take a peek and see what's inside. The competition is heating up. Guys, I had to get this. I don't know how long I'll have it, to be honest with you, but I had to get this because look at this guy. Is this crazy or what? RYOBI is stepping up their game. Gas-like power. I mean, who uses that? Check this out. 7.5 amp hour battery. Huh? I mean, this is going to be something. Oh boy. 40 volt lithium. Brushless, right? Oh boy. Well, I'm going to crack this open and then we're going to get into it. Alright guys, so it is about time to crack this thing open, and guess who's hanging out? Look at my audience. I got this sweet girl. She's going to be hanging out. Many of you love her, as I do. So that's my girl Brooklyn, my yellow lab. And she's going to hang out there, and she's so sweet. She's such a good listener. Let's crack this box open. Let's take a peek at what's inside, okay? All right. I got to tell you, the box arrived pretty banged up. Isn't that like the theme? I mean, did you see my video on the Ego 2-stage snowblower? I mean, that thing was a little banged up, but this one, you don't even want to see the underside of this box. So I'm hoping and praying that this is a brand new, never touched unit, because that's the experience I want to give you guys. And if I have to stop and re-record this all over again, I will, because I love you guys. All right, well, let's start pulling stuff out. So here is our bagger, okay, with the big RYOBI on the side. Everybody wants to advertise. So there's the bagger. Okay, here's our booklets. Home Depot gift card, review to win. All right, so we got that. Let's see what's in here. Okay, it looks like maybe a box for the battery. All right, let me crack that open. Let's check out this battery, huh? Look at that, huh? For them to come out with a 7.5 amp hour battery. Not crazy. But competition's competition. Man, look how thick this is. 40 volt lithium, HP. I'll figure out what the HP is. Here's your battery meter. All batteries come. It's nice, got a fuel gauge on it. A little better than they normally do. 7.5 amp hour battery. Take a good look at the battery itself. Alright, let's take this, put it aside. Alright, put the battery right here. Here's your battery charger. Kind of tiny, huh? Look at that little thing. Wow, it's so tiny. I mean, this can't be a fast charger, can it? Here's your power brick. So, plug your power brick in to the side there. Proprietary plug. Plugs into the corner there. You slide your battery on top. All right. Some people might like that, you know. You know, different companies these days are charging their batteries slow, charging their batteries fast with a fan, cooling it off. But, all right, let me take all this off. Oh. Now I gotta be strategic, because to be honest with you, if it doesn't work out, this is going to have to go back. But I wanted you to see it. After doing some research and seeing that they were stepping their game up, I was like, oh boy, all right. My folks, need to see this guy here. So let me pull this out of the box and I will come right back. Okay guys, so the mower is out of the box. A little heavy. You'll see why as we go through this. But let's lift this up. And we'll lock it into place here. Alright, well that's kind of cool. They actually have a nice locking system and release system. I like that, huh? So it's just a little twist and it locks in to place. I'm going to lock this at the highest. Would I like that? That reminds me of that ladder I did the review on. A little giant ladder. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Feels good. Now, the handle actually goes up. So, how does that work? Okay, so it's got, okay, so you got locking levers. When these are locked, the handle stays down. Okay, you can see. All right. And when you release these on both sides, you can pull the handle up all the way. All right. And then I guess you lock them again. To keep them up, you lock them again. All right. Let me pull back so you guys can see. Nice size handle. It's got, from what I can see, let me see. Okay, so it's got two settings for handle height adjustment. All right, so you'll know. Okay. Alright guys, you're going to need to see this video. This Ego 56 volt select cut versus a RYOBI 40 volt. Both with a 7.5 amp battery. This is a head-to-head video. Alright, make sure that you check this out. It is launched today, the same day that this unboxing video launched. Alright, check it out. I hope you enjoy it. I'll tell you, wheels look pretty beefy, huh? Really, without playing with this, without using it. Uh-oh. What is that? Is that a steel deck? Maybe that's why it was heavy. And nice wheels in the front. I'll get you your measurements. Okay, we'll go over some specs. But brushless, self-propelled. Alright. Take off the plastic. Actually, just open this up. Alright, so let's see. Does this, alright, so you got to hold it open in order to put your batteries in. Okay. Wow, is that a double battery? Interesting. Again, I gotta look into this. Oh, this says storage. Okay, so the left side is just for storage. The right side here is actual battery. Oh, and you can see the metal. That's how you can tell. So you see the metal in there? That's for your battery. This one is just all plastic. So it's actually just made for your storage. Okay. All right. It's got the plug. If you want to put this away so the kids don't play with your mower and get hurt and get their foot stuck underneath it, that's good. Now this doesn't stay open. Okay, but that's all right. We look at everything. Man, what is that? A one-hand height adjustment? Is that something? That's pretty cool. That's actually real easy, man. You push down, you got a spring over here. But guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spots. Zoom in there so you can see that. All right, so 1 to 4 inches, but they've got 8 stops along the way. And again, look at that. Oh my God. That's actually really easy. It's so much easier to do that. You push down. Actually easier to pull it up than it is to push it down. That's something. I'll have to show you another angle on that, by the way. But look how high that is now. That cool or what? Okay. All right. And again, if I want to pull these out for a second, pull this out for a second, pull it out. Can I just want to see what I can do. So you can tilt this up all the way into a folding position. And then back here, you've got the mulch plug. Now when I saw this, I was pretty interested in it because it seems to really close the mulch plug. So see this handle here? So you grab this guy, and let me zoom out. You grab this guy, and this is how it locks in. You see this? So you pull it up, and then you take it out. You see that? So I was able to take the whole thing out. Solid, nice piece. Got a handle on it, so you can grab it and just pull it. But when you push it back in, all right, just give me a second because I'm kind of like, okay. And then I lock it in. And it's not coming out. It's not going anywhere. It locks into this groove up here. All right. Now you know what's missing. No, it's not missing actually. Okay. So the bagger locks on here too. And I did pull the bar out, by the way, when I took the mower out of the box. So that's the bar that I have to put in the bag. Okay. Well, guys, I'm going to give you some specs and more. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here are the specs, okay? So if you want, you can pause the video, check out the specs, and hey, don't forget about a thumbs up, while you're at it. Thank you. All right, guys, so I didn't show you how the bag looks and how you put the bag on. So let me go ahead and just take off the mulch cover here. So I'm going to lift this up, take the mosquitoes off of me. I'm going to take this out, okay? Just put it here for a minute. Let's grab the bag. And I'll tell you, this has got a really easy take the bag off, put the bag on. Check this out. I don't even need to move the handle. The way they designed this, okay, I just want to show you something. So you see how that bag is just sitting on there? When you have to remove the bag, all you have to do is grab this middle handle, and you don't have to move the handle, you don't have to close it, you don't have to do anything. You just take this and grab it and empty your bag, put it back in place. One on the bottom, two on the top. Check that out. Isn't that cool? I mean, they've really used these grooves. Nice grooves, really, again, innovation, right? They're all competing against each other. But I like that. That one, just grab the handle, lift the bag up, empty it, put it back down, you're done. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, guys, so I wanted to show you a real nice close-up of height adjustment, just so you can get a good idea from a different angle. All right, now give me a second because I'm going to drop this a little bit more so we're really close to the ground so you get a nice view. All right, so it is all the way up, by the way, all right, to the 4-inch setting. And this does have locking positions. Initially, I thought it didn't. But, all right, so let's go to the next one. So that is, that would be considered number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. All the way down. There's number 7. Okay, so I thought it was 8. I don't know why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions. So I was wrong initially. But there's my finger. Okay, and that just means that the blade is up here, which is going to give you that 1 inch. Okay, but nice. I tell you. I mean, really. Let me just give you a different view from a handle perspective. I know either you're looking to buy this or you're not sure or whatever it is, but let me Just love it. I mean, this handle's been amazing. I am a huge fan of this handle. I love that. And you don't need the second hand. I mean, they all say it's one-hand height adjustment, but on the Greenworks and on the Ego especially, you actually have to hold the bar while you're adjusting. And this one, you don't need to. Much easier to lift, a little bit harder to lower, only because you have to lock it into position. But hey, I thought that was helpful. So I did it. All right, guys. Hey guys, so thank you so much for taking the time and watching the video. I'm going to ask you two more things. One, if you like the video, do me a favor, give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. I know you think it's pretty simple. The other thing is, hey, share the video, you know. If you want to share it with friends, or if you're in any forums or any chat rooms, share our video, you know, if you think it was pretty cool. Lastly, if you're a new subscriber, take a moment, hit subscribe on the upper right-hand corner. You'll see the techmadeezy logo. Click on that. Don't forget to hit the bell, and you'll get notified of new videos that we post, and you'll join the family. I will also post a video here on the upper right-hand corner if you want to see the head-to-head video on RYOBI versus the Ego 56 volt select cut video. Check out that head-to-head. I'll put a couple of other videos in here as well. Thanks so much. Have a great day.